Howdy, my name's Emil, as David said. I'm at Mark Oliphant College, so that's one of the new schools built in the north, in the Play for the Live area. So the school is 5 years old now, so we're not that new, but still newish in terms of what we do. My role at the school is as a teacher, so I'm year 11, year 12. I've taught middle school as well, and I was also primary trained. So I teach computer gaming. That's a subject, and it's basically computer science. We make computer games, so we use Java to program and create computer games. I've taught 3D modelling and animation and making games like that as well. Year 10 project-based learning and all things media. So that's what I currently do at the moment. Works exactly like a program within a browser, so you can see the menu system is very familiar to maybe what you would have used in Google, in Word and PowerPoint and so on. So file, edit, view, insert, all those basically familiar menus. Don't get confused with menus up here, okay? So these menus are related to my actual browser. Click delete, change, do everything. When you're suggesting, what will happen is if I go like here and go to suggesting, right, and now start writing. Yes. Okay, but maybe replace. So this is suggesting now. Okay, and what can happen is with suggesting, the student can click on that and actually see your suggestion. Or it might not be a replace, but it could be, you can do a suggestion to them. So you'll see that there's now running commentary on that particular point. What can happen though is once the student's fixed up what you've wanted and you're happy with that down here, if you go to resolve, that comment disappears and then it doesn't, the highlight's gone. And as a teacher though, what's cool is if you click on comments, you can always go back and see a history of comments that have happened. And almost that can be, it's not going to be a form of assessment, but it can definitely help validate some of what the student's been doing, okay? So when you go research, you can actually now search within the document, okay? And kids can highlight passages of text. They can insert pictures from the research tab. They can do a range of things. I think it had running because I may have highlighted a word, yeah. If I click here, I've got now a menu and I can, if you can't see it at the back, it says everything, images, scholar, quotes, dictionary, personal, and tables. Link next to it. And site has done this. All right, folders here. On the left-hand side, I've got my files and folders here that I can explore. I've got a few details and activities, and that will show me maybe who I've shared it with or what's happened.